So friends, once again I am here with my new video dashboards. What are dashboards and how to create dashboards using Tableau? This is the main topic today. Dashboards who are working in industry
So this is
somehow
here
listen
your
this name.
first
What are
dashboard that
dashboards?
has been created, and this is how it
Basically
looks.
dashboards are an intuitive way of driving
So in the upcoming
insights
session,
from
we will be
some given
learning
data,
new techniques
and
as well,
it's
how
just a
to
view
make these
of different
dashboards much more
analysis.
interactive.
For creating dashboards, you don't need to do any calculation. It's just a simple drag and drop feature of the Tableau. A dashboard allows you to analyze different kind of data simultaneously. This helps you to quickly gather insights that matter to you the most in your day-to-day life. For example, if you want to analyze the daily prices of certain product, you can create a dashboard for analyzing pertaining to the price of the product at once. So in my last few videos, I have some analysis on the sample superstore data set. I have generated different type of insight from this data set. I have generated five types of data analysis on the state profit on the basis for data analysis, state analysis, sales analysis on this profit on the basis of state, profit on the basis of analysis, analysis on the basis of subcategory, segment wise analysis, and customer analysis. These guys, these two sheet in my last video, these were named as sheet 4, sheet 5. So you have to name these videos as segment analysis and customer analysis. So what we will do, oh, click simply here. This one, middle one. If we click at this, we will a get a sheet for creating dashboards. What is dashboard? Dashboard is a view in which we can see the complete analysis of data in one view. So till now you have to analyze the sample superstore data. Now we will create dashboard for that data. What we will do? We will do simply drag and drop this here. See, now sales on the basis of pie chart we have done, analysis on the basis of customer, so we have done, and this one also we will put it where we have to put, should put it here. So this is the complete representation. I have not used that fifth one on the basis of segment wise because this is more deep analysis. What we will do now, see, we can change some formats. We need to do some formatting for better view. From different charts we can have or we should have for better analysis. So all legend should be there. Here tile was default. See, sales basis on the category and these categories are here. So this is not the good view. See, then this one profit is here and I think this should be there, this block. Similarly, by default, when we create a dashboard, it is tiled view. So now we will go to the floating view. If we go to the floating view, now what you have to change? This is, click on the legend, right click, yes, here, go to floating. Where is the floating? This one. Now I can simply drag and drop this here. Oh, sorry. What, what has been done? Now by simply click here. I don't know what I'm going to do. So we can also by simply click here. We can also use some filtering also here. So what we will do now, we can simply drag and drop this here. It's not happening. Go to this, go to floating. So this floating will be drag and we can use some size changes. So by simply clicking, we can see like this. See, similarly, this profit should be here. So right click, go to this arrow, go to the floating and simply drag and drop this to here. Go to floating. We can go to drag and drop this to here by simply changes. What other changes we can do? See, if we want to rename this seed, like we want to rename this all dashboard, what we will do? See, if we have this customer analysis and this analysis on the basis of subcategory, then we have to use 15 font is here and okay, this is also 15. If we want, you want to do it more fancy, then you can do it italic. You can have some other color too. Okay. So you can have some changes here too. If you want to rename this dashboard, you can have analysis. You can have name of this analysis. Analysis of superstore data. Superstore. So guys, you can have different kind of changes here. If you don't want to view all these things, then you can also use filter here. If you want to increase this, you can also ascending or descending, you can use this too. You have n number of features in Tableau for editing. See, in category, if you want to highlight some item, then click on furniture. Similarly, if you want to exclude, so there are different types of things which you can edit, you can change, you can view in the Tableau. If you want to see State District of Columbia. Similarly, if you want to see this one person, Cindy, see. So I hope you have understand the nature of the tableau, that how beautifully it can represent, it can create, it can view some data. Now, if we will go to the presentation mode, what changes we should do? We, if we want to go for view data, it will show the particular customer profit or sales. So guys, thank you so much. So we can see, we can understand that by simply creating a dashboard in the Tableau, we can have different kind of analysis on a single sheet. So guys, thank you so much. Thank